Good morning students. Today now let us continue the chapter probability example 7. Given question, the total number of students 40 students, total number of girls 25, total number of boys 15. It is a given. Find the probability of girls. Therefore, using the formula favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Therefore, the total strength of girl students 25 by total students 40. Cancelling 5 table, 5 5s are 25, 8 5s are 40. Next, probability of boys. Therefore, the favorable outcomes 15 by total outcomes 40. Therefore, 15 by 40. 3 5s are 15, 8 5s are 40. 3 by 8. Therefore, probability of boys 3 by 8. Probability of girls 5 by 8. Example 8. Given number of blue marbles 3, number of white marbles 2, number of red marbles 4. Therefore, the total number of marbles 3 plus 2 plus 4. 3 plus 2 plus 4 equal to 9. First question, probability of white marble, favorable outcomes by total outcomes. White marble oda total counting 2. Therefore, 2 by 9. Probability of blue marble, favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Therefore, blue marble oda counting number of blue marble 3 by total marbles 9. 3 by 9. Probability of red ball. Therefore, favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Therefore, red marble oda total 4 by total marbles 9. Therefore, probability of red 4 by 9. Probability of blue 3 by 9. Probability of white 2 by 9. Question number example 9. Arpit toss two different coins simultaneously. Say one is of rupees 1 and another of rupees 2. What is the probability that she get at least one head? At least one head. The solution, example 9, two coins tossed. Therefore, the total outcomes of two coins, one coin 1 rupee, another coin 2 rupees. Therefore, total outcomes, head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. Only the 4 possibles only. Two coins toss panna. The total outcomes only 4 outcomes. Favorable outcomes. The probability that gets at least one head, at least one head. First, at least one head. Head, tail, next tail, head, next right head, head. At least one. Koranjapatcham one achirukano. Head, tail, tail head, head, head. Therefore, 3. Therefore, required probability equal to favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Favorable outcomes order counting 3 by total outcomes 4. Therefore, 3 by 4. Example 12. A cartoon consists of 100 shirts of which 88 are good, 8 have minor defects and 4 have major defects. Jimmy trader will only accept the shirt which are good, but Sujata, another trader, will only reject the shirt which have major defective. One shirt is drawn at random from the cartoon. What is the probability that acceptable to Jimmy, acceptable to Sujata? To trader company irukku. Jimmy only accepted a good shirt only. Sujata reject shirt major defects only. Therefore, find the probability of first question acceptable to Jimmy, next as acceptable to Sujata. Solution of the example 12. Total number of shirt 100, good shirt 88, minor defective 8, major defective shut 4. Probability of acceptable to Jimmy only is a good shot only, therefore number of good shot 88, favorable outcomes 88 by total outcomes oda value 100, therefore 88 by 100 oda value 0.88. Next question, probability of it is acceptable to Sujata. Sujata only rejected major defective shot only, therefore accepted Sujata good shot and minor defective, therefore 88 plus 8, the favorable outcomes 88 plus 8 equal to 96, only rejected major shot only, the good and minor defective shot is acceptable in Sujata, therefore 88 plus 8 equal to 96. Therefore, probability of acceptable to Sujata equal to favorable outcomes 96 by total outcomes oda value 100. 96 by 100 equal to 0.96. Example 13. 2 dice are thrown. It is a given question. First question, probability of sum 8. Second question, probability of sum 13. Third, probability of sum less than or equal to 12. 3 question find out பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. 2 dice are thrown, therefore total favorable outcomes 36. 2 dice 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, etc. 6, 6, right? Therefore the total outcomes 36. Favorable outcomes, first question, the sum of value is 8, therefore 2, 6, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 3, 6, 2, only 5 values only, therefore favorable outcomes 5, therefore probability of sum 8 equal to favorable outcomes by total outcomes, favorable outcomes oda value 5 by total outcomes 36. Next, probability of sum 13, second question, the sum 6, 6 is a 12, the highest value 6, 6 is a 12, therefore the favorable outcomes 13 வரதுக்கு possible கிடையாது, therefore 0, therefore probability of sum 13 equal to favorable outcomes by total outcomes 0 by 36 oda value 0. Third question, probability of sum less than or equal to 12, less than or equal to 12, 6, 6, the sum oda highest value 12, less than or equal to 12, 12 oda கம்மியா இருக்கக்கூடிய all values write பண்ண சொல்றாங்க, therefore the total values also 1, 1, 1, 2, etc. 6, 6, that 36 value is available, therefore the sum of less than or equal to 12 is favorable outcomes oda value 36, therefore probability of sum less than or equal to 12 favorable outcomes by total outcomes 36 by 36, the value 1. Next exercise 15.1, complete the following statement. First question, probability of event E plus probability of event not E oda value 1, not it, the P of E plus P of E bar oda value 1. Second question, the probability of event that cannot happen is, நடக்க முடியாத event cannot happen, அதனுடைய value 0, such a event is called impossible event, event is called impossible event, impossible event, அந்த eventக்கு name impossible event. Third question, the probability of event that certain to happen is, ஒரு நடக்கூடிய event இருந்தால் அதனுடைய value 1, value 1, it is happen is 1, such that event is called certain event, certain event or sure event, SURE, sure event, certain event or sure event. Fourth, the sum of probability of all elementary event of experiment is 1. The sum of all probabilities of an elementary event of an experiment is 1. The probability of event is greater than or equal to dash and less than or equal to lowest value 0, highest value 1. The probability 0 to 1 between the probability values. The probability of event is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. Lowest value 0, highest value 1. It is probability of event greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1.